Have you ever taken a bite of a juicy apple or a piece of your favorite chocolate and wondered why it tastes so sweet and satisfying? Today, we're going to unravel the sweet mysteries of sugar and how it delights our taste buds. Let's start by understanding what sugar is and how our taste buds perceive it. At its core, sugar is a carbohydrate that is found in many foods, both naturally and as an added component. It comes in various forms, including sucrose, glucose, and fructose, each with its own unique properties and levels of sweetness. Our taste buds, those tiny sensory organs on our tongues, play a crucial role in perceiving sweetness. When sugar molecules land on our taste buds, they trigger a chemical reaction that sends signals to our brain, telling us that something delicious is happening. Taste buds are fascinating because they detect a range of flavors, including sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Sweetness, in particular, is often associated with pleasure, and there's a good reason for that. From an evolutionary perspective, sweetness often indicates that a food is rich in energy, which was crucial for survival. It's not just about taste, it's about our entire sensory experience of the food we consume. You might be wondering why different foods have varying levels of sweetness. The sweetness of food can be influenced by several factors, such as the presence of natural sugars versus added sugars. For instance, fruits are naturally sweet due to their fructose content, whereas some processed foods have sugars added to enhance their flavor. Other contributing factors include the type of sugar used, the overall composition of the food, and even the temperature at which it's served, as cold temperatures can dull sweetness perception. Now, let's talk about how sugar impacts our brain and body. When sugar enters the bloodstream, it causes a release of insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. This release often gives us a quick burst of energy and temporarily elevates our mood, which explains why we might reach for something sweet when we're feeling down. However, the energy boost can be followed by a crash, leading to cravings for more sugar. It's a delicate balance that our bodies are always managing. To bring this to life, let's discuss some fun experiments you can try at home with your kids. One simple experiment is to conduct a taste test comparing sweet and unsweet foods. Gather a variety of fruits, vegetables, and maybe a piece of candy, then have a discussion about which ones taste sweeter and why. Another experiment involves exploring the concept of sweetness overload. Start by tasting something mildly sweet, like plain yogurt, then gradually add sugar to see how the perception of sweetness changes. This hands-on learning helps to demystify the experience of eating and tasting. Cooking is another fantastic way to explore the sweetness of foods. You can try creating a simple recipe such as a fruit salad, focusing on how different fruits combine to enhance sweetness. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, bake a batch of cookies and experiment with adjusting the sugar levels to see how it impacts flavor and texture. Cooking together provides an excellent opportunity for learning and bonding. Encouraging scientific curiosity is one of the best gifts you can give to your children. You can engage them in discussions about taste and flavor by asking questions like, "Why do you think this apple tastes different from the banana?" Or, "What happens if we add a little salt to this sweet dish?" These conversations stimulate thinking and encourage kids to explore and question the world around them. In closing, I hope these ideas inspire you to delve into the world of food science with your children. By sharing these learning experiences, you're not only teaching them about the science of sweetness, but also creating lasting memories. These moments spent exploring flavors and experimenting in the kitchen will help to strengthen the bond between you and your family. So go ahead, take a bit of science-savvy sweetness into your kitchen today and watch as curiosity and smiles unfold.